Alright, let me see. Hey! Hey, big salmon on this side, big reds on this side. That was saying, man. Hey! Take your time, nice and smooth, Take win, hey! Let me see you there. Let me hear you.
That's what I want to do. I want to hear the talk now.
Diving for rocks.
Diving for rocks, you see.
Guys, what you're going on now? As we reach, my boy Neil drop down, you know. That is the original snake, man. Neil have to pull a eel first thing. See my boy have a little pan salmon. We had the original black shiny cover he had with the hoodie day, but if you guys watch my previous video, you will know who is black shiny. We have Spanish on the bow, just a small crew. The weather is beautiful. We out to get some salmon today. Hopefully we get some. And like always, I'll keep you guys posted. This is one more for the captain's log. Signing out. Oh, nice, man. Look, nice. Well, and you can toss them back. So, guys, a simple process. We normally take the ones we want or the species we want. And what they don't want, they toss back. Neil and them is not really picky guys. So, they will just choose a couple just to carry home to make a couple broth. They're more for the fun of it. Spanish in front there. He flicking his artificial. I'm hoping that he get a bite. There's one nice king and carry it around these days. So, I'm hoping that he gets a bite. He says he just won one fish and that's it. He'll rack up for the day. So I wish him the best of luck. Come Spanish, you give them. I'm Neil. Say it for me now.
I'm buying fish in the market now. Come easy and hook it up on the line.
Hook it up.
Fool everybody now.
Fooling them, boy.
Watch how your hand shaking there and you're making the fish look like a living. Hey.
Alright. Well, I see a man getting a little flex action from this. Flex of the rod, he looking sizable. Looking like a eel too.
A nice size eel.
I eaten eel. That's what you say? When they'll come, for some strange reason, these salmons and them is just a pay out of nowhere, you know. Oh, alright. We'll see. Boy. Spanish decide to go a little banking. You see where you got there?
Call them.
See, he'll give the what do you have there? Salmon? Racando, what you got there? Alright. Nice Racando, well done. You get back a little later to the slow trolling and casting out. Nice. Let's see. If Navin catch 20 more, we good enough. Nah, but I just hold them to here, but I just managed to get. I managed to get 2 back to back. Hey, go boy Wendell how one day. Nice, must be pick up now. Yes, correct. Yeah. Can't even take out my fish. Let's see here.
How it?
Yeah, wait.
Well, you don't sink here. What's that? So what's this?
Next kilo.
What is this? No, a carangas. A carangas and a remora.
You get doubles?
Yeah, doubles you get it. Now a flat one a remora. Alright. Wendell, that the flavor you like?
Yeah, nice.
Alright. Well, this one is for you then. Ah boy, finally boy. Neil on the action. The man sit down there and make over his rig. As the man toss, the man getting a little fighting. You already net? What is it? Hey boy. Man really say a pump on one, the man pull the pump on eh? That's it, my boy. Wait, raise him up again, Lenin. Raise him up. Nice pump, man. The man call it and the man say he find it fighting like a cat. Neil at it again. Come, Neil. Oh no, nah, that didn't just bust out.
Not feel.
You not feel? Guys, trust me, that's one of the things would hurt you the most. When you're pulling a good fish and you're not feel.
Not.
Oh God, sorry Daniel, come on. Tie them nuts good. I'm leaving there.
Yeah, if you catch 4 more like that, room fitting.
Home fit?
Yeah.
And say 4 more like this size. Home fit, you know.
That's how we get that from.
She went there, see that pull itself. Come up quiet, I didn't even know that a good fish. Hey, Rod, I need to go. After not failure, salmon one time. And I get the board out, so you don't know. I went on doctor thing for them one time. As we have salmon on board, you know I'm going to prepare a nice little ceviche for them boys. And why? Let me see the smiler. Which is not. Yes. That's a good comeback. Wendell actually had a vegetarian one.
That is right now.
Alright, fellas. You ready, mate? Nice, man. So, yeah, I asked them to give me a little rating. I had them good for seconds. I get a casual 9, you know.
Yeah, sure.
I get a casual 9. I good with that. 9 high, that high score.
Gotta leave room fitting.
That critic there, Neil, that critic. You get a 9 from Neil? That is well done. Ah, boy. A man need help with the fish, boy. That's not really a good sign, you know, when you're asking for help, you know. Hey!
One ceviche and you see what that costs?
Yeah, I see what it costs.
One ceviche, you know.
9 out of 10 boys.
Hey!
Dead badly wounded.
Yeah. Once you're done, you can eat ceviche. You can eat fish and catch fish at the same time, you know. Yeah, you done that. Catfish?
Yeah, you put that catfish ceviche for that.
Shimmy has something there? Spanish has something there. Again, I bite on the tip of my road too. So the catfish was catch and release. We have the catfish too. So 2 catch and release. We have it, Wendell.
I wouldn't add all.
A nice little small racando.
I wouldn't catch on your road.
Alright.
Get you on.
A little breeze so we get a little rock at the waves.
I'll catch on release.
It's pretty calm still. As Wendell toss back them small ones. You get a bigger bite. Alright, Wendell. Let me see here. We're getting a little rain here now. Oh, next one here too. Let me see whoever reeling first. Is that the same fish? Alright, let me see. Hey! Hey, big salmon on this side. Big reds on this side. That was saying, man. Hey! Take your time. Nice and smooth. Take it, hey! Let me see you there.
Let me chase.
Oh God, he drop out. He can't chase. Watch this man, open this thing that way. It is. Alright.
Catch and release here.
Yeah, well, they know the size of the other one and toss them back the smaller one or the other one. Boy, Shim have one there and all too. What you got there? Oh, nice salmon.
Nice, yeah.
See, that's our keepers. This is our toss back. And guys are all going for the day. Keep what you want, throw back what you don't. Have one there too? What it feel like? Alright, a catfish. Another toast box.
Another release.
Watch him now. Quiet.
The
Man, I want to talk much now because you know it's a little smaller than the one you now went there.
It's not the size, it don't matter what. It's not the size, but it's the color.
The color.
The color.
The name don't change, eh?
Game don't change.
Alright, alright. Next man pull in
Oh,
here.
we are alive there. We see it. There's a catfish that just gone.
Well, if you're famous for that, you're famous for that to know. Wow, what is another catfish?
Yeah.
We have one of them on the boat, guys. We always bring our friend over. So we assist us in catching the catfish. Alright, I can't make a slip with them fellas and them boy. Alright. A nice little ancho. Hey! Let me hear you.
That's what I want to do. I want to hear the talk now.
Diving for rocks. Diving for rocks.
Diving for rocks, you see?
Who does that? Who dives for rocks?
Where you got it?
Reds, boy.
Nice man.
Way, boy!
As them fellas and them keep releasing back small ones, they're getting bigger grades, boy.
The gift
A
again,
nice
the gift
one.
again.
When they're red, they're dead.
A nice one. All them boys and them wet, a little rain pass. Oh, that the canopy get breaks out, but Spanish say you can stay outside. Nice one, man. Open the cooler for him. Oh boy, I'll be turning back. Check my boy Spanish now. Well, yeah, the salmons are here, fellas. Nice one, fellas. You jam them. We got there, pan salmon. Alright, well, yeah.
Man, so the biggest investment. The money maker. First one's quick scare everybody.
Nice bush, nice bush. Bring him inside.
Ah, boy.
Alright, let me get you ready. Raise him up, let me get you ready. So those guys come for a little snook action. And some nice snooks. Well done, buddy. Well done. So they caught some good fishes in the sea. And they said now, they're just for the fun of it. Nice snook. Beautiful. Come here, show them a little thing, then you.
Say something, just pull out a snook there.
Can't find that snook. Carol, that's a snook or a bush. Well done. All I know the great knee, right? From ESPN. Alright, I didn't get that one on camera. That's a nice bite. Ah boy, nice little tap one. I didn't get the catch, but we'll do the release. Nice man. Well done. Alright guys, so as you can see, these guys kind of take the selective fish. I think that was the catch of the day. A nice big reds. We got quite a few reds. And the guys pick up a few crow, a nice snook, and a few rakandu. So it was more selective fishing, and these guys don't really want a bunch of fish. They just want more of the experience, and they like the fun of it. Right, so that was the crew, very small crew, just 4 fellas. Neil, fellas, how the funny day was? Real nice. Exciting.
Good fishing with friends and family.
Nice man. So guys, that was one more for the captain's log. Signing out.
Yes, yeah.